Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. Now today I'm doing a Reuben sandwich, which is a classic American grilled sandwich. It is super tasty and you are going to love it. Now first of all we need to make the dressing that goes into the sandwich. It's called a Russian dressing for whatever reason, I have no idea. So first of all, into a bowl I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped onion. And next I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise into the bowl. This is a peri mayonnaise, actually quite spicy. Then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 teaspoons of creamed horseradish. By the way, there's enough dressing here for about 3 to 4 sandwiches. And a little bit of hot chili sauce. I'm using some peri extra hot sauce, so it is quite a spicy dressing, but super tasty. Then a teaspoon of Lynch Worcestershire sauce, and about 1/3 of a teaspoon of paprika. Then some salt, and we're ready to mix it up. Now apparently Reuben sandwiches are often sold in Jewish delis, but apparently it's not kosher. It has a Russian dressing and it uses Swiss cheese. So if ever there was a sandwich had an identity crisis, this would be it, I think. Next I'm taking 2 slices of rye bread and I'm going to butter each of them. Now remember, I'm actually buttering what will be the outside of the sandwich, not the inside, because we are going to grill it in a frying pan. And now it's time to start making up our sandwich. So turn the bread over. Actually, that would be better. And first of all, on one side I'm going to put a good amount of our Russian dressing. As I say, there's plenty of it, so you can be as liberal as you like. And now it's time to add the meat. Now this could be a bit of a cardinal sin. I think normally you have to use corned beef, but I'm using pastrami because I prefer it. I think you can use either without being strung up. And again, put plenty of that Russian dressing over the meat. Then next comes sauerkraut. Now, a lot of people don't like sauerkraut. I absolutely love it, and it is so good for you. Great for your gut. It is full of probiotics, a bit like the Korean kimchi. Lovely stuff. And then you're supposed to have slices of Swiss cheese like Gruyere, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using cheddar instead. So there's another second cardinal sin. And then time to flip the first piece of bread over, gently press it down, and we're ready to grill it. In a frying pan on a low to medium heat, because we want to give the sandwich time for that cheese to melt. So we're just going to heat it up slowly until it's golden on both sides. Time to turn it over without it falling apart, and continue for another few minutes. When it's done, we'll take it out and cut it open and get ready to eat it. And there we have it. Perfect for lunchtime. A wonderful, tasty Reuben sandwich. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon.